Not a lot of people know, but Windows 11 recently got a new PC manager, and after having used it, I can tell you that I am loving it. I mean, a lot of useful and advanced options in Windows to speed up the system, free up storage, secure things are kind of scattered everywhere. The new PC manager changes that. Honestly, after watching this video, you'll be like, okay, I want this on my PC. Now, I will show you the new Windows 11 manager in action, but before we begin, if you're someone who comes across a lot of PDF files, you need Wondershare PDFElement, which is a fast, easy to use PDF tool on phones, desktop, and even the web. With PDFElement, you can not only create PDFs, but also edit PDFs with ease. You can add text, annotate, compress them, add an e-sign, and you can also use it to encrypt PDFs. Plus, I like that you can do a lot of batch edits on multiple PDF files at once, which is very handy. The best thing though is how easy PDFElement is to use, so go ahead and check out Wondershare PDFElement from the link below right now. Okay, so let's get to the point now. This is the new PC manager running on a Windows 11 laptop, and just to give you an idea, this can be used on both Windows 11 as well as a Windows 10 PC. Now I'll tell you how you can get this on your laptop or PC, but first let me show you how this works. So as you can see, the new PC manager has multiple options. There are two tabs, Cleanup and Security. And the Cleanup tab shows you the memory usage and the temporary files in your PC along with the boost button. There's also health check, storage management, process management, startup apps. The Security tab is where you'll find the Windows Update, browser protection, and pop-up management. So a PC manager basically brings all of the important options and settings along with some extra features in just one place, and that is very useful. But the important question is, does this actually work well? The answer is yes. Look, first up, the boost button quickly reduces RAM usage and frees up temporary files from your system, and it actually makes a good difference. I can hit boost and the RAM usage goes down by almost 20%. Also, I had around 4 GB of temporary files that are now gone. This is good, and this will especially come in handy for budget laptops that are low on RAM and storage. In fact, after using the boost button, we did feel like the experience was a little smoother, so yeah, it makes a difference. Now, the boost button removes temporary files, but if you want to free up more storage, remove more files, the health check option lets you do that. Along with temp files, it lets you clean browser cache, system logs, recent file list. It also shows you startup apps you should disable and potential issues, which is practically an ad. It says reset default browser to Edge because I've set it to Chrome. And I mean, Edge is actually good, but this constant pestering by Microsoft is just annoying now. Anyway, you also free up some more storage using the deep cleanup option in the storage manager. It lets you remove unneeded Windows Update files, Windows prefetch files, Defender logs, cache from DirectX, delivery optimization files, and web cache. See, basically using the PC manager, you can get rid of all types of different unnecessary files, be it temporary files, browser cache, system logs, Windows Update files, DirectX cache, all in one place. I mean, there's no need to go to different pages and different options to remove these files, and that's what makes this very useful, right? But my favorite feature is this, the ability to find big files easily. See, a lot of times I have downloaded big files saved in my PC and kind of forgot about them. This is where I've used tools like Tree Size to find the big files easily and delete them. This option, Manage Large Files, does exactly that. As you can see, I can sort the files by their sizes, and I can also look for different file types or just select all, which is what I prefer. Once done, I can view the large files in File Explorer, select these files, just delete them to free up a lot of space. This is actually very handy. Now, the storage management also has shortcuts to quickly take you to the apps list so that you can uninstall apps you might not be using. And there's also a shortcut to Storage Sense, which is an option that automatically deletes recycle bin files and also unopened files in the downloads folder. Anyway, along with the fact that PC Manager has the boost button which works, that reduces RAM usage, I like that it has a process management page where you can kill unused processes to speed up your system. I mean, killing the McAfee process makes sense, right? I can also disable startup apps because I can also see the impact on the RAM they have at the startup. So that was all about the cleanup tab, but there's also the security tab, which is basically your one-stop for all the Windows security features. I mean, there's Windows Defender integrated right here, so you can start a quick scan right away. There's Windows Update, browser protection, which works with Edge as well as Chrome and Firefox. And there's also pop-up management, which basically blocks apps from opening any annoying windows. Look, the reason I found the new PC Manager so useful is because it simplifies the whole process of cleaning your system. I mean, I always forget to delete unnecessary big files, disable programs that are taking up RAM, and these do affect the day-to-day performance, and PC Manager solves that. Look, this is making the Windows experience better, and with this, I don't have to spend too much time going into different options and settings manually to do these useless tasks. There is no longer any need to open Windows Settings, Task Manager, Disk Cleanup, Windows Defender, or anything else. All I need to do is open this, click a button or two, and it takes care of the rest, which is what makes this awesome. Now, I know what you're thinking, how do I use this? How do I get this on my PC and use it? Well, it's very, very easy. Just go to this website, pcmanager.microsoft.com, and don't worry, I have added the link in the description. Now in this website, just click on free download and that's it. So yeah, try it out and don't forget to share your experience in comments. Which is your favorite tool in this new PC Manager? Comment down below and share this video with people who have budget laptops or low-end laptops and they can use this to speed up the system and clean up some storage. So share this video. Also give this video a like, make sure to share it, like I said, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. This 600 rupee Xiaomi tablet is great for kids. This is the 8.5-inch Redmi writing pad and this comes with this dedicated